Welcome back to my channel. I happen to be at a Marvel premiere. I only decided to vlog right now with bash cameras. But yeah, I put on a random dress and left my yard. Did not think I was coming in. I happen to be at the Miss Marvel premiere, which is a TV series. We're gonna watch the first 2 episodes. I'm with a wavy.
Hi guys.
Hi. And it's been terribly fun. We've run into Tesha, saw a girl from 13 Reasons Why, which is the most excited I've been since we got here. And like all the other brown TikTokers from our end. So yeah.
Vlogging people.
Yeah, vlogging people.
Yeah.
It's so good to run into you.
I know,
So
I know. You look amazing as well. Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Congrats, you know. I wish it to my parents.
Yeah.
Shout out to mum and dad.
Mum and dad, big you up. We're here at Miss Marvel. It's going to be a great one. Big up everyone watching
I hope
this.
so. All this hype, it better be good.
It might be shit then, isn't it?
But brown people, we support everything.
Exactly. I was going to be sick,
Mind
no
your
matter
business.
what.
Mind your business.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh,
We've made it in. They gave us the glare on this thing is mad. We made it in.
Mad.
We're ready. We've met so many people. I met the guy. I met Hamza. Man, which is so exciting. And then his friend does all the tech videos, and I watch him on YouTube, and he helps me buy all my phones. I'm gonna go vlog with him. I want to meet him.
He's right there.
Yes. I can't believe I met the girl from 13 Reasons Why. I'm literally so excited. I'm sorry, I don't care. I don't care about anybody else in this building. I just want to go say I love her.
Well, good evening. How are you feeling?
Woo!
I think you can do a little bit better. How are you feeling?
Real good.
I like to hear it. I love to see it. You look good. I especially really like that some people are in costumes. It's absolutely brilliant. Welcome to this very... What was that? Nice. Very good. Oh, did anyone have one of those cocktails with a pencil in it?
Yes.
Did anyone get poked in the eye by it?
No.
Okay, you're cleverer than I am. Welcome to this very special screening of the first 2 episodes of Marvel Studios' newest series, Miss Marvel. Beautiful evening so far. Rich, I'm going to come to you first. This is your hometown, and you know you've got a hometown audience in the house.
Woo!
Can you tell us what you're most excited for our audience to see tonight?
British accent in the MCU.
Yeah.
Loki? When you got that call and you were told, I'm going to be Miss Marvel,
I got burritos. I couldn't really breathe. It was, you know, it's such a unattainable thing for me to even try to imagine when I was a kid. And the Miss Marvel comic books literally got me through high school when I was 15, and I dressed up as her, and now I have this tailored costume that's for me, and it's like, it's a lot to process, and I can't even believe that I'm here right now. So taking it a day at a time.
it's amazing. Too much away without any spoilers. What would you say is the best thing about filming this series, Iman?
Just the way that we embrace fan culture in this show. I think it's, you know, a perspective that we haven't really seen in the MCU so far, and coming from a girl who just is absolutely enamored by the Avengers and wants to be one so bad.
No, I love this bow menu with, where is it? Hey guys, okay, so I just left. That was so like every little brown girl's dream kind of moment. It reminded me of my bestie Sophia. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing the rest of the episodes. I feel a bit shy finishing off my vlog, but yeah, it was really good. I really liked it. It was so different, so much desi music. We were told not to talk about anything else otherwise, but I never presume this vlog is coming out before the show comes out. But yeah, I loved it. It was really fun. Really quick vlog, but really cool experience. They've taken down all of the things so bloody quickly. But yeah, it was really fun. I met a lot of people. It was like a walking For You page from TikTok. But yeah, super cool music. Every little brown girl's dream. Like, it was literally so cool. I loved every minute. And I'm happy I got to come. But yeah, I thank God I bought a coat. I literally landed from India 2 days ago. I'm freezing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, subscribe. Bye guys.